Ateneo serving, first making their debut in the 2025 edition, but the first point will go to Ateneo. It's nice to see na yung galaw nila, parang galaw veterano na talaga. Kahit nasabi natin
that what makes him proudest is the consistency of the players, showing up every day, balancing school and training, and keeping their composure under pressure. Today, it's all about...
That consistency, time immemorial, hanapin talaga ni Coach Jerry Say at player kanyas. Nice chase there by Ayaden Singh. And as Yeses almost scoring, ayan na naman si Zay Pasha. And the play goes on. Ash, dug by Fiona Arroyo. And play goes on. Barrel at the net. Tuloy pa rin ang laro. Who's gonna finish this one? No good coming from Tensing. Robbie Cilia the drop. Poporma si Ash. Off the net. It is in. Point for the team. Nakikita natin, kahit 2 games pa lang, nakikita mo na ang ganda ng takbo. Eto, Chiki, makikita na natin yung depensa. Kaya lang, hindi makaka-opensa ng maayos ang CSB. That's good. Benil creating some separation. High first ball.
Ng connection nga ng setter at saka ng middle hitter. Look at that. That ball was so near the net pero na-save pa.
14-9 for CSB. Misperos through the blockers.
Yung ball.
Una siya. But she managed to send that ball to her teammate for that easy point. Zap Nolascos dropped, did not work. Zay Pasha, nasa harap na naman. Pero Punata ang inabot kay Zap.
Positioned herself. Ayan, walang pinasok yung bola.
Huli ka. Technical.
In between Ateneo and Benil. Both teams are fluid. Both teams are going fast. Tsaka ano sila magandang transition nila nga from defense to offense. Pero
na perfect na ni Christy Ondangan yung setup nila rin siya yung ganyang slide, yung running.
Galing,
So Chimoto, ayun, loaded serve talaga mga setter. But Ayaden Singh having none of it.
Parang si Steph Curry, di ba? Pag binigyan mo ng bola, alam mo ng 3 points.
Carlos Bartolome.
Nice shot.
Solid yung hampas si Zay Pasha. Hahatol sa kanya kapag ginawa niya yon. Ito, mas maayos sa first ball. Sending it to Isperos.
Moto. Look at that. Pag maganda yung first ball mo, tinan mo, hindi umiikot yung bola,
Nahuli Ateneo dito.
Tingin ko. Good save.
Isa was there. Nolasco finishing that one. Wala lang sa pwesto si Jenna Hora para sa second unit ng Ateneo for this match. Tensing.
Good coverage.
Nahuli yung drop ni Tenten Kimpo. Another rookie. But there is Christy Ondangan. Pumapasok na naman siya sa era na kahit sino ay pasok mo as Jenna Hora gets ago
yes.
Pero ito yung ginawa ni Jenna Hora.
2 blockers, really. Ang taas ng talon niya.
Nice serve coming from Alana. Ondangan! Sharp serve coming from Selga. Nolasco was dug. But that first ball.
Good up.
This good reception by Alana Tanchi so far. And it turned into a... Nothing changes here in the second set. Nakailag pa si Donna De Leon para maka-receive yung kakampi niya si Ana Hermosura. Nice chase. Free ball. Saan pupunta ang St. Benil? Kai. And CSB is getting to a point na bawal mo sila bigyan ng first ball. Kahit yung mga ganong atake, lalo na. In order for you to trim this 7-point deficit that you're experiencing. But when there's Kyle Yeses.
Good first ball.
There's the setup. And there's Alana.
Ito mo sa approach niya, tsaka arm swing. Look at that, Ang bilis kaya mabilis din yung bagsak.
Mga players na to during warm-ups. And they played it perfectly. Hora on the other side of the blocker's hand, and it's out. Point for Ateneo. It's down to 6. Cheney setting it to Aya Densing.
Si Densing ang bilis. Ayan, tingnan natin. There goes that setup to Densing. Look at that arm swing. Full. Tapos kaya pag full, smart
Hora
move.
just sending it over. Cheney will go to Cams.
Wow. That, I think,
Here, Sobi Buena, Giselle Tsunashima, and J-Lo De Los Reyes are on the sidelines cheering them on. Sabi nga ng kanilang ate J-Lo, and I quote, "You'll only be able to play your best if you have fun. Period." Back to you, Jay and Chiki.
And true enough, tama ka, Riz. Kasi doon sa movement ng Ateneo, kanina pa nga natin mapapansin, very joyful. Yung mga ganong atake, still, hindi nila iniiwanan itong mga, sabi natin, Blazers again. Umaabot na yung Benil sa punto na kahit sino ipasok.
yeah, Hora is a player that you have to keep an eye on. Kasi pag binigyan siya ng bola, may kita mo sa upload.
Bartolome, no. Casey going to Ana. Jessa Torog was there. Bartolome on the other side. Alana was there. Shea Jordan!
Ano nangyari doon? Ayan yung first ball. Sabi ng center, wait lang.
Sali ko.
Oo, may buta sa zone 6.
Catherine Shane Cortez. Na-target yung line judge. That one was... Quick play.
Ooh.
That one will go to Donna May De Leon.
Yeah.
Court time. Diba? Nakakatakot rin eh. Alana Taji, block!
Good cover. Good up.
Ball is alive.
Nice.
Nahabol ni Tenten Kimpo. And the play goes on. Kanya says no. On the other side, Katarig, huli.
Good coverage.
Dive na naman si Kimpo. Dahan-dahan lang. Kyle Yeses too far away from the net. Huli ng back row defender. Alana Taji's block. Distance yun nga eh. Ang pass ni Ondangan, huli. Ang pass ni Densing. Nandun si Tenten. Hora the drop. Beautiful.
Palo niya. Na-establish na niya yun eh since the first set. But this time, nakita niya there was no coverage behind.
Nagtikit-tikit sila doon sa zone 2. This match because the lady plays. Tulis ng serve. At
Yeah.
tulis ng serve. A matter of time before they get the point of those blocks eh. Kaya true enough yan naman. Sipagan lang. Ganda na ng bigay. Huli lang. Alana rejected by Christy Ondangan.
Cross court. There you go. Ito na yung tira. Bumabagsak sa floor.
Walang bag sa program ngayon ng St. Benilde.
Kita mo yun.
Oo. And Katarig is able to hit that one kahit siya yung
Good save.
naka-receive.
Oo.
Free ball. Cheney to Zap. Huli pa rin. Jenna. Rejected by Ash. Isa pa raw. Nahabol pa rin ni Cheney. Free ball for Ateneo. Tax will go to Jenna Hora. Fiona was there. And the rally goes on. Alana, no good. Ash, couldn't get it. Cheney, no. Tuloy lang ang paluan. Cheney, another try. Cheney will get the point. That's a lot to address, lalo na ng Ateneo. Ang susunod pa nilang laro, on the 30th sa katapusan, will serve as a baseline of things to adjust, of things to address, di ba?
Right.
Huli! Naka 10 points na siya nung first game nila. Naka 20 nung huling laro nila. Eh ngayon, dulo na tayo. Bandang dulo na ng laro natin. Siguro habol niya. Eh maka double figures pa ulit. And the rally goes on. Basarte going to Kyle Yeses. But there's the libero of Fiona Arroyo. Zay Pasha saying hello.
ball and she kind of parang humiga siya sa area. Ayun, no? Well, so she was kind of off.
For Ateneo. Siyempre gusto nilang pahabaan yun kasi they're trailing by 7 and trailing by...
Ang ganda ng setup ni Basarte kay Undangan, no? It was really nice serve. Out of system play.
Check by the blockers. Nice chase by Tax. Second time for Zay. There's a net touch on the side of the Lady Blazers. Umamin.
Ball control.
Tama naman, short spurt. Pag humahaba, spurt na lang.
Okay, sige.
Ayas ko.
Kaya kailangan bantayan si Sam Velasco. Oh, what a service ace.
And finally making an appearance on the green and white, Alana Tanchi. Then to Christie, rejected.
Nice.
Pero tuloy lang ang rally. Drydel Matibag. Camila Bartolome. Read coming from Zen Basilio. Making the necessary recalibration. Hora no good. Rojo couldn't get it. Difficult set. Jen Hora. Tax. Oh, nice play to Robbie Cilia.
Good dig.
Huli lang. Isa pa. Kanino pupunta si Tax? Kay Alana. No. Gonna go for the finish. Yesha Rojo rejected. Flores to Bartolome. No. Tax binasa ang opensa. Binigay kay Alana. Huli sa likod. Bartolome. No. And the play goes on. Robbie Cilia. Crowd is at it. They're loving it. And for the Blazers, almost got it. Hindi lang umangat yung second ball ni Tax. And